Former RTE board chair Siún Ní Raghallaigh has broken her silence and hit back at Media Minister Catherine Martin over what the ex-chair has branded her enforced dismissal by the minister in her RTE primetime interview. Miss Ní Raghallaigh resigned dramatically after Minister Martin refused to express confidence in her during the interview. The minister said she had been misinformed about the ex-chair's role in approving an exit package for former Chief Financial Officer Richard Collins. The development is the latest in the saga of controversies plaguing RTE. In a statement published via a public relations company, Miss Ní Raghallaigh said that Minister Martin had an active hands-off approach in communicating through her officials. The former chairwoman said it was baffling that the minister had asked questions about an exit package 5 months after it happened. In her statements, she said, "I cannot remain silent about the manner of my enforced dismissal, which seemed designed to traduce my reputation." She said at no point was she offered a phone call or meeting with the minister directly before prime time. She gave her own timeline of events leading up to the live interview, but Miss Ní Raghallaigh said she had no option but to resign after Minister Martin told the media she had sent a letter expressing disappointment in her.